is synthetic hair. Hey loves, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to detangle your French curls or any kind of curls, especially when they are synthetic. Just make them last 3 weeks or maybe a little over a month. I mean, French curls are too expensive to have them less than a month, right? So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if I'm being honest, to actually have your French curls looking fresh and curly, neat, with less frizz is to actually maintain it every other day or every single day, right? So this is the conditioner I'm using, and I'll be using it in a spray bottle, just putting a couple of drops with water inside of it, of course. I like to also go ahead with olive oil just for a little shine. Just one pump is enough. Then shake it up. Make sure everything marries each other, and then your work starts. You can finger detangle if you have the time and the patience, but I'm late and I will just finger detangle a little bit and try to use my brush to finish off. But you have to be careful when using your brush, just so that you do not spoil the curls. So if you know that you will not be able to brush it out properly, then just use your fingers, please. Now you can either use your white tooth comb or this comb, but I'll be using this brush just because I feel like it is more better. So I'll be spraying water on my hair, just wetting the whole curls like so. And you have to be detangling as you go with your fingers as well. Just be gentle, okay? And if you are a natural hair girly, in fact, whether you're not a natural hair girly, whether your hair is relaxed, please be careful when detangling so that you're not dragging your hair and it's affecting your scalp, just so you don't end up losing your hair, like unraveling your hair and realizing that you have been rough on your scalp and then your hair gets to fall off. Okay, Jesus. Ooh. You guys, don't be like me. Please, if you have French curls, maintain it every other day. I'm speaking from experience. Maintaining it every other day actually helps. You would not have to deal with a lot of knots and frizz. I mean, it is synthetic hair, so definitely you will have a couple of frizz, but it wouldn't be crazy, if you get what I mean. Now the next step is to go in again with your conditioner. Just put it in your palm and massage together, then apply it on your hair. I'll advise you are generous with it. Mine is almost finished, so ignore the aggressive pumping. When you're done doing that, then you work in smaller sections. Okay. Now the next step will be to wait. Before we even move into the next step, if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to our channel. Welcome. We are excited to have you here. I am Precious Frank and this is African Coily Bestie. We do gorgeous hair here. In fact, we do everything gorgeous, everything beauty concerning hair, how to take care of your hair, how to take care of your protective styles. The main aim is to just make your hair grow beautifully, to make you love your hair, no matter the texture, no matter the length. Okay, so if you are all for that, if that is right off in your alley, then you are in the right place. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. Okay. I'm having a good time here, trust me, we do. And if you're a returning subscriber, alpha, my G, how are you doing? All right, so let's get right into the video and finish this up because I'm pretty late. So since you're working in smaller sections, this is where you would be able to see some of the knots. Please do not be scared of trimming out anything, okay, as long as you know your hair, of course. Trim out anything that is giving you headache. It's not necessary. The main aim is to make the hair last longer and not to keep all the curls intact. Okay, so I'll be going in with my scissors. Now going with your comb. Make sure you're not combing it straight, you are combing it in a curly order. I don't know how to explain that. I hope that is clear enough. See what I'm doing? I'm twisting and combing. Now look at that. So you do that for the rest of your hair, okay?
How it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all.
So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And that pro tip is make sure you're always sleeping with your hair bonnets, your silky hair bonnets, just so that the hair is not unnecessarily tangled in the nights. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. The video after this will be the video of me showing you different styles you can do, maybe or maybe not, or just one style, whichever way. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye.